Hello guys, how are you all doing? So, I've been trying to make a GTA style game with the help of ChatGPT. In the previous parts of this series, after adding Lucia as the main character, I also added a few NPCs, a basic police system, and even a bike to the game. Step by step, the project is starting to feel more alive. After watching this video, you can check out the previous videos too. I'll put their links in this video's description. Now, in GTA games, NPCs don't just walk around on the roads, there are always vehicles moving through the city as well. Keeping that in mind, I thought it would be a great idea to add this system to my own game to make the world feel more realistic and alive. So, to implement this feature, I asked ChatGPT how I could do it. It suggested using navmesh for NPC vehicles too. For that, I needed to place proper waypoints all over the map. These waypoints would act like a guide, allowing the NPC vehicles to understand where to go and how to move along the roads. I followed the instructions step by step and carefully added the waypoints across the entire map, making sure they were placed correctly on the roads. Because of this, the NPC vehicles are now able to follow these waypoints smoothly and drive around just like they would in a real GTA game. This small feature has made a big difference, and the game world now feels more dynamic and immersive. The game is turning out awesome, almost like GTA. But in GTA, the main character also has a personal house that they can enter, walk around in, and really feel connected to. That idea inspired me to add a similar house for Lucia in my game. So I decided to take a high-quality house model from Sketchfab and carefully set it up at a good location in the game world, where it actually makes sense. Inside the house, you can see a sofa and a TV in the guest room to sit and relax, and there are beds in the rooms for sleeping. After setting up the house, I also added a vehicle in the garage, so you do not have to search for one on the road to drive it. And whenever you feel like it, you can simply take the vehicle from the garage and drive it anytime you want. After that, I thought that if we add a helicopter and a tank to the game, it will make the experience a lot more fun. So I decided to go ahead and do it. To make this happen, I took some help from the Unity Asset Store. I spent some time searching and testing different assets, and after a while, I found a helicopter that felt perfect for the kind of gameplay I wanted. Before adding it to the main game, I tested the helicopter separately to see how it flies and handles. The controls felt really smooth, and the flying mechanics worked surprisingly well. Once I was satisfied with the results, I added it directly into the game. After that, I added a box collider on the helicopter and used it to define a trigger area. When the player enters this area and presses F, the player can get inside the helicopter and start flying it. Now, you can fully enjoy flying the helicopter, explore the map from above, and have fun with it just like in GTA. That's great, so now we have successfully added a helicopter to our project. On that note, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now Lucia is going to be the richest character in the game, because the game is all about her. So I built a helipad near Lucia's house and parked the helicopter there. This way, it becomes her private helicopter and she can fly it anytime she wants. Okay, the time has finally come to add a tank to the game. This is going to take the gameplay to the next level and make the whole experience feel much more like a GTA-style open world. So for this, I once again took help from the Unity Asset Store. After searching for a while, I found a tank asset that looked perfect for the game. When I tested it, the controls and overall feel were actually really good, so I quickly decided to add it to my project. Setting it up inside the game took a bit of effort because the tank's controls were quite technical compared to the other vehicles. I had to spend some time adjusting things and making sure everything worked properly. But in the end, I managed to implement it successfully. Now you can drive a tank in the game just like in GTA and feel like the ultimate boss roaming around the city. Alright friends, that's it for my GTA game development journey in this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how the game is slowly coming together step by step. There are still many more features and improvements that I want to add, and I will keep sharing that progress with you in the upcoming videos. You can also share your thoughts in the comments section. The comment box is open, so tell me what features or ideas you would like to see in the game. Your suggestions will help me add new things to the game based on what you all want. By the way, if you enjoyed the video, do not forget to like it and subscribe to the channel to support the work.